All right, we are doing CSS Daily. Today is the March 23rd, 2026 version. I'm going to walk through the HTML just to understand what we have. I'm going to probably spend a little more time walking through the CSS to understand kind of how things are named, because there are a couple different variations I've seen. Neither are bad, it's faster if you know how things are named. So the outer container, actually I won't scroll down. Okay, this one, they didn't do the body. I don't know. It's useful to me to understand what's going on with the container. It doesn't, sometimes things get weird if I don't understand. That's all. Anywho, we have the overall card. We have the header that has featured, grand meridian, location, and then rating way over here on the side. We have, that's the rating box. That's what we see there. And we have room details, which is this row. And then we have 4 detail items, each with a kind of a label and value. Cool, so 4 of those. Then we have an amenities row with 4 things: free Wi-Fi, breakfast, parking, and pool. Then we have the footer that's going to contain price section and a button book now. So there's basically 2 elements in the footer. There's multiple elements in the price part, but just the button is just the button. So that's what we see. Okay, so we have some brand. Okay, so we have brand dark, brand mid, brand accent, and brand accent dark. Okay. We have the background of the card, which is white. We have the background of the header. We have the background of a detail item. What is a detail item again? Sorry, a detail item are these things. These are detail items. These are amenities, which have their own background. We have a rating background, which is that thing. We have a tag background, which is the same as the rating background. This is the same color. We have a button background, same color again. Final price, same color again. That's okay. Text primary, text secondary, text light, and text muted. I'm guessing text primary is going to be this. Can't tell. Maybe that, probably those. I guess that's text muted. That's text light. That's what I think is happening. Text muted is this. And then maybe it's primary and secondary for those things. We have an original price color of this thing. And button hover, we don't care. We're not doing anything with hover. Button text is also FF. So that's the white color. Okay. Here we are. I guess we're going to start. I've been trying to get the size of the box right to start with. I don't know if that's a good idea. No clue. That's what I've been doing. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep doing that. I think it may not be the easiest way to get a 100% match, but I think it's the easiest way to get a decent score, which is, I haven't got 100. I don't think I've gotten 100% on any of these yet. I've played, I don't know how many of them, but I don't think I've gotten 100% yet. I don't know how. I don't know. Wait, there's stats. There's stats. There we go. 80%, 80%, 81%, 90%, 84, 85. This one's kind of a lie because I just hid the keep going box. I think it was actually like 20% when time was up. So, Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to start. I am going to say outline 1Q solid, and the height looks pretty good. Whatever. No, it's a little short. So height 300 pixels. 290. That actually looks pretty good. Width 400 pixels. More. 450. Let's try 500. Yeah. Okay, it's going to be fidgety. That's close. It's not right. We're going to say border radius, I don't know, 15 pixels. Looks okay-ish. We're going to say overflow clip. Okay, now we're at the head. Actually, let's go ahead and on the card give it a background var bg card. All right. Don't need that. Do need that. Card header. We're going to give it a background first. Background var bg header. There we go. Don't need that. Do need that. Okay. Display flex. Justify content space between. Okay. Now, the hotel info is this stuff over here. So it's going to be display flex, flex direction, column, and the header is going to have some padding. So it needs to be spelled correctly or it doesn't work. 20 pixels. Looks too much. 15. 13. Maybe. Okay. Hotel tag. That's going to get a color of var tag text. That's going to get a background of var tag bg. Oops, nope. It's going to get a width of 100 pixels. It's going to get a font size of 15 pixels. Seems too big still. 13. Something. Okay, we need more padding on the sides of this. So let's say 20 pixels. That's getting close. The width of that is too much. Let's say it's 80. Let's say it's 75. Font size 12. And then padding, I don't know, 2 pixels, 4 pixels. Seems completely wrong and not to be working. Hotel tag. Can I get, oops. Let's undo that. Let's do display flex, justify content center, border radius 10 pixels, less 5, not 54, 5, and then let's give it a height of 20 pixels. 20, so I did it again. Yeah, also needs align items center. That's not terrible. Hotel name. Actually, hotel name. Let's do the color. Color var text. I think that is going to be light. No, primary is what I thought I decided. I don't think. I don't think that's right. Whoops. Oh, it's broken too. Okay, I don't think that's correct. So let's see what might be correct. Minus text. Muted. I don't think it's muted. Secondary? No. But it wasn't primary either, was it? No. Is there something else? What is this called? This is called name. Brand. We don't have anything called name. We don't have that. We have color. No. We have text. Tag text, I don't think is right, but it's as close as I've seen. I say font size 16 pixels. Too small. 18. 19. Whoops. 19 is close-ish. We need hotel tag. We have that. Hotel info. Card header. Nope, not that one. Not that one. This is the one. Nope. Where is it? Hotel info is the one with featured. Yeah. Gap. 10 pixels. Too much. 5. Not terrible. This is 20. That's not terrible. And then we have location. Let's just try to get the color var text muted, maybe. Doesn't look terrible. Font size 14 pixels. Margin top 10 pixels. That's way too much. 2? No, it's minus 5. That's not terrible. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible. We're going to go to the button, rating box. Display, flex, direction. Column. Justify, content center, align, items, center. Color, bar, text, button text. Doesn't look terrible. Rating score, we're going to have a font size of 20 pixels. We're going to have a font weight of bold. And then rating label, we're going to have a font size of, I don't know what it is, 12 pixels. And the whole thing is going to get a background, var rating background. It's going to get a border radius of 10 pixels. It's going to get a width of 50 pixels. Nope, 80 pixels. It's going to get a height of 60 pixels. Let's try 70. Nope, 50. Getting closer. Width 85. That's not correct, but 50, that's getting closer. Still not good, but getting closer. We're at 40%. We have a minute left. Let's get something better done. Let's go for the other big button, because everything else. Okay. The other thing we can gain is there's the tag, here's the rating box. We have that, a detail item. Actually, what we need is room details, background, and we're going to do var bg detail. That, I think, helped. We're going to go to the button. Well, it's not even close to the right place. Yeah, this is going to be awful. Detail item. I can't tell which one. That is okay. Room type, yeah. Okay, the detail item. Yeah, detail item is what we need. And then we need displays. I'm not going to make it flex direction, column. Look, that's still not column. Ooh, 15%. That made it worse, didn't it? Wow, I was closer and I messed it up. It's the way it works. That is the way it works. Yeah, there we are. Thanks for watching. See you next time.